गाइस, वेलकम बैक माय चैनल। तो कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद करती हूँ खुश होंगे, अपने घरों में और हेल्दी होंगे। आज आपके साथ मेरी बेटी ओपनिंग कर रही है न्यू जनरेशन 6 जनरेशन का आईपैड। तो मैंने कहा चलो आप लोगों के साथ ओपनिंग करते हैं, तो आपके साथ शेयर करते हैं। तो अभी इसकी ओपनिंग होगी, तो आप बने रहिए मेरे साथ और देखिए कैसा है जे। तो अभी चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
I'm excited.
I'm so excited! It's gonna get interesting generation.
You were only happy that I'm home. Hold on now, don't open it.
Open it.
You were only excited that I'm home because you wanted me to check your iPad.
Yeah, because I knew
And
it was
that's
here.
how I remembered. I was like, she's not happy because
गाइस
Yes, I
देखिए
fulfill
इसके
here.
बारे में
Yes, I
क्या
fulfill
निकलेगा
here.
आज, इसके लिए रेवन बहुत एक्साइटेड है।
Imagine it come out, bro.
No.
Hopefully.
No. Oh my
Hey.
god. Oh my god.
It's wrapped in Walmart paper.
Yes. It's new.
Really?
New, guys. New. Oh my god. Gimme.
हाँ बे क्या है 10 what's that? Tell me बे।
This is the 6th generation iPad Rose Gold.
6th generation iPad is new one, right?
Yeah.
Did you wash these scissors? Okay, look, it's sealed.
Ah.
It is sealed, so it's newer than your old
It's
one.
sealed.
It's sealed, so it's newer than your old one.
What?
Don't open it until you get a case.
No, I want to open
Okay,
it.
let me cut the silk.
Look how pretty, guys. I'm gonna keep the box.
The box,
No,
guys,
be
look at
careful
guys,
with
देखिए
it.
बॉक्स ही
It's
इतना
not me,
लग्जरी है कि अंदर तो पूछो ही ना।
We also hit
She's so
1,000 below.
excited.
Me.
And
Open it.
I'm gonna open it like.
we guys, we have
you
1,000
take-
subscribed today, and then Bebo have
Relax.
iPad.
Yeah.
She happy for my subscriber and for
Thank you, guys.
iPad.
Don't open it like
Thank
that. That's
you
not
so
shaking.
very much,
Put it right here.
guys.
Ah!
Ta-da.
Oh my god.
Pull it up from here.
Oh my god.
Careful.
I love this.
It's rose
My
gold.
God, babe,
Turn it around, turn it around, turn it around, double.
carefully. I'm gonna show with excitement. I don't want to do my voice over. Okay, babe? Guys, देखिए. And
Take it out. Don't get your fingerprints on the front screen.
oh,
Help
I'm
me.
scared, babes.
It's hot. It is garam.
Look at her face. मैं बहुत
Stop,
serious.
Scrat.
There's dirty.
That's because you got dirty.
Oh, it's hot, guys.
Here, let me give me this and
It's
show them
hot.
the rest.
Okay, let's go open this. I hope it come with stickers. The Apple stickers. And oh my god!
Woohoo! Well, let me see first.
I'm so happy, guys. So on my other iPad, it kicked me out of a lot of stuff, and this will kick me out.
It's a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff. I can't.
A lot of stuff.
Hello.
I don't know how to set it up. Double, I
I
guess.
do. No, I think tiny English.
Let me see what you're doing.
United States how?
I can't find it.
Exactly. So stop.
Oh, it's
Show
in
the
you.
rest.
It's in you. It's
No,
in
it's all the way in the top. Raven.
No, it's not. It's A.
You're nervous, babe. You can't see anything.
Bruh.
Show that.
Oh my god, guys. Guys, I got the same iPad. My sister has the same iPad.
बहुत देर का मांग रही थी guys ये.
You're more excited for that. So take out the charger, ho.
Guys, the charger. I'm so happy. My brother don't even know that it came. Doesn't even know.
He's taking back. Otherwise they're gonna cry in
my
minutes.
stickers.
So he want to. right?
Don't mess up your charger, please. Chargers are the best thing to not lose.
What's that, babe? Charger?
Gotta keep it safe.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, guys.
No earphone?
No, it's an iPad.
No, it's an iPad.
Oh.
I have already some, so. So happy.
Now tell me something what you want to say. Say thank you, my viewers.
Yes, thank you, viewers. We got it 1,000. We're just missing 2 because it went lower, but I'm pretty sure we'll make it to 1,000. Thank you guys
Why
so
does it
much.
keep showing me incorrect password?
I'm so happy. Look at my iPad.
तो गाइस देखा ये बहुत एक्साइटेड है, तो अभी मैंने आपके साथ शेयर की इसकी एक्साइटमेंट, और आपका बहुत 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 दिल से थैंक यू मेरे 1 सब्सक्राइब्स पूरे होने के लिए।
Yes,
आपका
thank
दिल
you
से
so
मैं
much.
सेलिब्रेट करूंगी आपके साथ।
Hey, crack
तो
ass.
बहुत 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 ही अप्रिशिएट करती हूँ आपको, और आपका दिल से है मेरे
Or you have to go.
सबको दिल से थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
Anybody gonna understand?
और देखिए अभी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ।
Do it again. Pick it up. Do it again. Pick it up. Do it again. Pick it up. Do it again. You're moving too fast. Move too slow. And move it around. Get the middle. You see where it's not red? Yeah, see it's not loading. There.
Oh my god, guys.
Now do it again. Do a round, like the rounds. Raven, pick it up.
Raven, you don't want to put any password?
This
Only-
is the password.
This is the pass on my
I know,
finger.
only fingers, huh?
Okay.
No number?
No
No.
number via.
Number V.
Oh.
In case you burn your finger or
I don't
something.
know, guys.
Burn my finger.
I really don't know about new generation.
Okay, yeah. Oh my
I
God.
think I need to thumbnail make like.
Okay.
Oh my god, guys. It was.
Guys, इसने 2 वीक पहले ऑर्डर किया था, बट ये
No.
अभी
3 day आ गया.
पर इसे आज लग नहीं रहा था कि आ जाएगा। अचानक ही मेरी बड़ी बेटी ने बोला कि चलो देखते हैं, तो आ गया। तो इसकी एक्साइटमेंट की कोई हद नहीं रही। इतनी तो मैं नहीं खुश हुई जब मेरे 1000 सब्सक्राइब हुए, ये उससे भी ज़्यादा हुई है कि मेरा आईपैड आ गया। जो न्यू जनरेशन है, तो गाइस सच्ची बताती हूँ, मुझे तो इतना खास नहीं पता, बट बच्चे तो आपको पता ही आजकल के हमें बताते हैं न्यू, तो बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है इसकी चल रही है।
Guys, this is my new iPad. I am using it on playing Roblox.
Light इधर रख। Are you playing?
I'm playing Roblox. Can join my friends.
Now you happy?
Yeah, I'm really happy.
Excited?
Yes, I'm really happy. And here, playing a game. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe this video so you can get more updates of
Now
video
she's
challenge.
busy in his game. Guys, अगर आपने वीडियो पसंद की हो तो लाइक करना ना भूले, न्यू हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें। तो thank you for watching. See you next one. Till then, bye bye.